adopts a similar naming convention to properties, with lower camel case naming. Let's build your first method to meet a common need, displaying an address in a human-readable format with HTML formatting. You are going to render the address across several lines in a standardized format. The end result will look something like this: 555 Fake Street, then a new line of Townsville, State, 12345, then the country, United States of America. For brevity, I will not include any type of data sanitizing when rendering the data. Using HTML special chars is a best practice in any production code. Start with a stub declaration. Function display. Output is empty. Return output. Let's add proper documentation. Display an address in HTML. To be able to display the contents of an address, you will need to be able to access the object's properties. When a method is called from an object context, the pseudo-variable this becomes available. This is a reference to the calling object, which is almost always the object that the method belongs to. Properties of an object are accessed using the object property access syntax. As you want to access properties of this pseudo-variable, append -greater to this with no spaces, followed by the name of the property without a $sign. We'll start with a street address. Output this street address 1, and then some logic. If there is a street address 2, display it on a new line. Next, we'll have the city, subdivision, and the postal code. Output, new line. Output, the city name, followed by a comma, then the subdivision name, space, and the postal code. Finally, the country. New line, and then the country name. Now that the method definition is complete, I'll save the file. In the next movie, we'll take a look at instantiating an object and accessing its contents.